Hi, are you tired of having internet problems? Issues like buffering while streaming, slow Wi-Fi speeds, or need help installing a smart device? Get CATJACKS. CATJACKS has been resolving internet issues for over 10 years. Did you know internet companies will only support their internet modem? This leaves the devices connected to your internet with no support. Don't waste money on Wi-Fi extenders or pay an electrician to fix a technical issue. Get CATJACKS. CATJACKS can install hardwired Ethernet outlets, set up Wi-Fi mesh kits, and professionally install any smart device you purchase. Whether you work from home, stream movies, game online, or need help setting up a new office, give CATJACKS a call. We have experience in homes, apartments, and small businesses. Not sure which service you need? Schedule a consultation. Visit our website at getCATJACKS.com. That's getCATJACKS.com. Or call us at 704-807-5005. Remember, they install, we resolve.